What happens when pizza and pasta collide? You get a bubbling, cheesy, meaty casserole loaded with turkey sausage, pepperoni, ground beef, and penne pasta smothered in marinara and melted in mozzarella. Look at our meat lovers pizza casserole. So, look at our beautiful casserole here. You see that cheese up in here? You see that cheese pull? See that cheese pull right here? Look at that stretch, honey. And then you got the pepperoni up in here too. That turkey sausage makes a whole difference with the ground beef. Flavor, so much flavor. This is so divine. The sausage and ground beef, so good. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're making something so exciting. Now, if you're like me or most children in your family, even adults, come on, let's be real. Pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Well, at least I know most of the world loves pizza, but there are a few probably exceptions. So we're going to make a pizza casserole with all the pizza toppings, but except we're using pasta. Now, you can make this however you want, but we're making a meat lover. So we're gonna have our ground beef and turkey pepperoni and some turkey sausage for our meat aspect of it. Now, if you are a vegetarian, you can make this just all full of veggies instead. If you're gluten-free, you can have this because you can substitute with some gluten-free pasta. And if you're a vegan, you can still do this too. You omit your meat, obviously, and you use some vegan mozzarella cheese. Come on, everyone can have this if they want. Here are a list of ingredients. So I chose to use penne pasta because all the ridges help like the sauce to stick really well and the meat and the cheese. But you can use whatever pasta you have at home. I always say use what you have, and I mean that, you know. But if you want to go and be like me too, and like Chef Fran and get penne, you could do that. If not, use what you have at home. Not spaghetti though, or linguine, but like a whole pasta, fusilini. You could try with bow tie too, if that's what you have, but again, try to use what you have at home as long as it's like a whole pasta. My water is already boiling. I put a little olive oil in it as well as a little bit of Himalayan salt. And I'm gonna add a tiny bit of black pepper because I usually like to put all the flavors in my pasta right now. So I just have our ground turkey sausage in here, which I'm gonna crush up. And I have a little bit of my green seasoning, my personal green seasoning, which is just some herbs that I've kind of mashed up in here. A tinder. Okay, I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning here. I'm gonna put my onion powder, my garlic powder, before I add my veggies to this. And then I wanna put in here my bell peppers, my onion, and my garlic, a couple cloves of garlic that I minced up. Our sausage and ground beef is thoroughly cooked, and our veggies, that's the onion and the garlic and the red and green bell peppers that are in here that we have put in, are all sauteed and soft in here. And then now we're gonna put that right with I've already sprayed our casserole dish. So what we're gonna do right now is put in our meat mixed in here. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. All these aromatics of these vegetables and the meat and everything. Yum, yum, yum. So I'm gonna mix this all up to start to assemble our pizza casserole. Here's our vitamin content. And we're gonna now add our sauce. This is just some store-bought pasta sauce. You can use whichever pasta sauce you like. You can make it homemade from scratch and fresh if you have time. I don't. So it's almost like you're making ziti, but you're using pizza ingredients. Just remember that. So now if you like it more saucy, of course, then you could add, voila, the whole jar of sauce like I did. Let's put some of our pasta here, spread it. Yeah, kind of told you, kind of like, almost like you're doing baked ziti, but you're not doing baked ziti. But I sliced them up because I just love me some fresh mozzarella. And if you're a cheesy kind of pizza gal or guy, then you load up your mozzarella. If you have the one that you buy from the store that's already all shredded up for you, and that's what you have at home, use it. That's fine. This is just my preference. This is my favorite. I mean, obviously, always off the block is better. So if I have to use one that's not off the block, I prefer this brand, Mama Francesca. So, but again, use what you have. So I am just lining up this with pepperoni. I'm using turkey pepperoni. You can put a lot. The turkey pepperoni I feel has like a little bit of a spicy kick to it, but I like spice, almost like you're doing a ziti. We're gonna lay this up with some more mozzarella, some more turkey, pepperoni. So we have loaded up our pizza casserole. I'm just gonna top it off with some shaved parmesan here. And we're gonna put it in the oven for 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Just really for the cheese to kind of get bubbly and melt and GBD, just golden brown and just delicious. So look at this. You see the layers? You see that layer of cheese there? You see the layer of the pasta that has our ground beef and turkey sausage, and then you see the layer of the mozzarella and the layer of the pepperoni, and then you see like another layer that we have on top, a pepperoni as well as fresh mozzarella and some shaved parmesan. And we're gonna get this in our oven. Honey, let me give you this warning. This meaty pizza casserole is gonna disappear fast. It's loaded with sausage, pepperoni, beef, and peppers. More cheese than you can handle. It is sure a crowd pleaser, and everyone's gonna want seconds. Don't say I didn't warn you. Well, 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 look at our meat lovers pizza casserole. So, look at our beautiful, you see that cheese up in here? You see that cheese pull? You see that cheese pull right here? Look at that stretch, honey. And then you got the pepperoni up in here too. That turkey sausage makes a whole difference with the ground beef. Flavor. Oh man, so much flavor. This is so divine. The sausage and ground beef, so good. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Don't walk out of here, please, without clicking the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. Thank you for coming to hang out with me. And most of all, health is wealth. Remember that. And remember, be good to yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this. Recipes.